Thanks again for joining me today. Another tip that we're going to talk about today for getting your house ready for the fall and winter season is to check your furnace out. Hire a professional, hire the HVAC guy to come through the system, make sure everything's working correctly, make sure it's working. Because when it does get cold, when you turn on for the first time, you want to make sure it fires up. You don't want to get there when it's getting cold out and then you need your furnace on. Call someone during the middle of the night. It's kind of a hassle. To make sure you do this before. And another easy tip is it's probably time to change out those filters. So make sure you know what kind of filter you have a couple on hand so it's an easy swap, but have your furnace looked at so it works, and then go ahead and change out those filters.